Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest trends in home decor and interior design. Whether you're redesigning your space or just looking for some inspiration, today's video is packed with the best home decor ideas to make your home both trendy and inviting. Let's dive in. Start with a statement piece. Every trendy home needs a statement piece that grabs attention. This could be a bold piece of artwork, a unique piece of furniture, or even a dramatic light fixture. For example, a sculptural chandelier in your living room or a modern art piece above your console table can instantly elevate your decor. Choose something that speaks to your personality and becomes the focal point of the room. Embrace neutral color palettes with pops of color. Neutral tones are timeless and trendy, offering the perfect canvas for creativity. Incorporate shades like beige, taupe, and soft gray, then add vibrant accents with throw pillows, rugs, or decorative vases. For a contemporary touch, consider jewel tones like emerald green or sapphire blue. They're bold, luxurious, and effortlessly stylish. Layer textures for depth. Creating a trendy home isn't just about the visuals, it's also about how your space feels. Layer textures to add depth and richness to your decor. Combine elements like a plush velvet sofa, a chunky knit throw, woven baskets, and sleek metallic accents. These contrasts create a cozy yet sophisticated vibe, perfect for any modern home. Go green with indoor plants. Nothing breathes life into a space like greenery. Indoor plants not only improve air quality but also add a trendy, organic element to your decor. Consider low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, or fiddle leaf figs. Place them in stylish planters or hang them for a chic bohemian vibe. Add statement rugs and lighting. Trendy spaces often incorporate rugs and lighting as key design elements. A patterned area rug can tie the whole room together, while layered lighting, including pendants, floor lamps, and sconces, can set the mood. Opt for modern, geometric designs or timeless vintage styles to add character and personality to your home. Maximize space with smart storage. Clutter is a design killer. Keep your home looking sleek and trendy with smart storage solutions. Invest in multifunctional furniture like ottomans with hidden compartments or floating shelves that double as decor. Stylish storage doesn't just organize, it enhances your overall design. Reflect light with mirrors. Mirrors are a designer's secret weapon for making any space look larger and brighter. Place a large mirror opposite a window to maximize natural light, or use a uniquely shaped mirror as a statement piece. Gold or black framed mirrors are especially popular for a modern, trendy aesthetic. Personalize with unique decor. A trendy home isn't just about following trends, it's about showcasing your personality. Add unique decor pieces like travel souvenirs, family photos, or handmade crafts. These personal touches make your space feel authentic and truly yours. And there you have it, the best home decor ideas for a trendy home. From statement pieces to layering textures and incorporating greenery, these tips will help you transform your space into a stylish haven. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interior design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.